In this video, I'll show you how to send an email via Mailchimp. In order for you to send an email, you want to make sure that you have an audience. Now, to add a single audience as an example, head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side, and at the bottom, click on the sixth option, which is Audience. Now, on the audience section, you will see the list of all of your contacts. What you can do to add a new contact is by simply heading over to the top and right corner, click on the green button to add contacts, and at the bottom, let's say we want to add a single contact. In here, what you need to do is add the email address of the contact. So in here, we will add an example. At the bottom, you want to say that this person gave me permission to email them. If not, then they will receive a confirmation code from Mailchimp. On the phone number, you can add their phone number. On the first name, we will add their first name and their last name. On the address, you need to add their street, as well as their city, their state, province, and region, as well as their zip code. And at the bottom, you can also select a country. This will be the United States for me. You can also add their birthday. This should start with the month as well as the day. You can also add their company as well as what they like to grow. And once you're done, head over to the bottom and click on Add Contacts. What you can also do is add a bulk contact. But once you have your contact, head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And at the very top, click on the Create button. Now, that will take you to create a new email. On the left-hand side, if you click on Email, at the bottom, you have a lot of options for an email, either a regular email, a plain text, a multivariate. This is multiple variations of your email, as well as template. Let's say we want to send a regular email, so I will click Regular. And before we start, we have to add an internal name. Let's say this is an email campaign. And once you're done, head over to the bottom and click on Begin. Now, that will take you to start from a template. From here, you can choose a fully designed template, a basic layout, or what you can also do is start from scratch. Let's say we want to choose from one of the basic layouts. Now, that will take you to the basic layout section. These are all the templates that are available. Let's say we want to choose this one right in here. So we hover our mouse on that template and click on Apply. Now, that will take you to the builder of your campaign. From here, what you can do is change the text, as well as a bunch of things in which you can do to change this. You can also add links to a button if that is something they want to do. But once you are satisfied with how your campaign looks like, head over to the top bar, and on the right-hand side, click on Save and Exit. Now, this preview will be the exact thing in which your viewers will see. So on the left-hand side, click on the drop-down. From here, you can send to all of your email subscribers. What you can also do is for your pasted contacts. So if you click on the drop-down for a single select, in here, you can add a pasted email. So for the pasted email, what you can do is add the email address of one person. You can also do the same thing by adding another. And once you're done, at the bottom, you can include these emails to your segment or exclude these emails from your segment. And once you're done, head over to the bottom and click on Save Segment. You can also send it to specific people within your tags. So in here, let's say we want to send this to the 2026 tag. And once you do that, at the bottom, if we click on Save, all of the contacts that are in the 2026 tag will receive this email. So at the bottom, you can also add a subject. So in here, we can add a subject line. Let's say this is our campaign. On the preview text, we will say, "Hi, care to join our campaign?" And once you're done with the subject line as well as the preview text, head over to the bottom and click on Save. Now it's time for the send time. So if you click on the drop down, in here you have two options, either to schedule your send or to send now. For the schedule, in here we can set a delivery date. Let's say we want to send this on the 1st of May. At the bottom on the delivery time, you can send it as a specific time. So in here, you will choose from a time wherein you want to send this. You can also send when recipients are most likely open, and it will calculate an optimal time. And once you're done, you can also do the Send Now option. Now, this will automatically send the email now. You can also add an SMS follow-up if that is something they want to do. And once you're done, head over to the bottom and click on Save. Now, those are the most basic things in order for you to send an email. What you need to do is make sure that your campaign is fixed. You have your recipients, you have added your from, your subject, and your send time. And once you're done, head over to the top bar and on the right-hand side, click on the green button to send this email. Now, in here, it will ask you if you are sure since this will be sent to 27 subscribers. At the bottom, click on Send Now. And once you're done, as you can see, it will automatically take you to this page saying that nice job, your email is sending. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.